Dumelang Batswana Palapye. My name is Tshepiso Motswagae. I am from Gaborone. I'm a young lady of 21 years old. Botswana's modeling industry is still at an infant stage. Being the next Gemstone will give me an exposure to the world supermodel and it help me to take the knowledge again back home. Neither this wonderful profession to the upcoming models. Moreover, voting for me as Botswana's Gemstone will help me to take Botswana to the world out there. Those marketing the country, especially through the Botswana brand. It's diamond, the people, and the peace we draw in. Modeling is my passion, my hobby, and my dream. I want to live my dream. Please, please, Botswana, vote for me. Thank you.